Howdy, neighbors. Well, another day in paradise. Oh, there's the water for the birds and the bunnies. And that gets changed or added to almost every day. Okay. I got the water running. Okay, so I've got, Jesus, am I zoomed in? Is that it? Yeah. Oh, gosh dang it. Gotta get my finger out of the way. Alright, so got a stove. Now, right now I'm just using my Powdium for the power. Says I got 29%. But anyway, water. And for now, there's my system. Pumps it out of the blue barrel. I got it running up and over. That's a piece of PVC. I just used one of my step drill bits and got it the right size, jammed it down in there, put a 90 that I could thread the nipple onto, and it goes all the way to the bottom. And then I used my jigsaw and cut a bunch of 1/2-inch slots across the bottom of it. There's my old, this was my old one, you know. Push the button. Yeah. Tiny little stream. Anyway, right now I'm just pouring the water in with gallon jugs into that. If I don't pay attention, I lose a little. But there's the drain, and I can just take this out and dump it in the, I tip this down so the water's below the level. And I just take that out and dump it down the septic line for now. Now the wiring, oh yeah, that's what I was going to, this wiring, one of the things I found is that already, that with it on, with the power on all the time, every once in a while the pump will do a little zzz. And so instead of it doing that all the time, I've got a switch. Where are you? Right behind me. Get over here. I got a switch, and it's a in out, you know. Well, I'm gonna mount that at this point in time. I'm thinking of mounting it back in there so that basically, let me unscrew this thing. Basically, in the off position, the handle will be almost flush with this, and it'll just be right here, you know. And this is just to turn the power on and off, you know. Like if I know I'm not going to use it for a while, I just boink, it's off. Push it in, it's off. Pull it out, it's on. You could leave it on as long as you want, but I just figured, like, if I'm going to be gone for the day type of thing. Because what I'm doing now is I'm going to put a wall right here. Matter of fact, because I started this project, this wall project is going to get accelerated. But yeah, the wire is going to run through here, probably down low and into the bathroom area, because I don't have that built yet, so I can run a couple of power chases in that wall. And then it's going to go up and over. And right now I just have an extension cord hanging here, and I got it routed down to here. I need to cut the ends off, match the wires, and then I'll hook it into my 12-volt system down below. It'd be nice if I had a couple more bus bars. But yeah, I'll just hook it into back there into the bus bars. So I'll have that power. And part of doing it is using my Forstner bits. This shelf, the whole wall wiggles. Nothing I could probably sit on there and not fall off. Oh yeah, and I got one of these lights. Actually, I grabbed 3 of them, so I'm going to look at the best one of them. But these are, somebody had them in their rig. They took them over to Lori's, to the free pile. So I grabbed 3 of them, and I'm thinking about slapping one of them up here. So that's today's project. And yeah, and I might actually force myself to get to the wall too, but I'm not sure at this point. It all depends on if I still have the template, because I made a cardboard template for this curve, and that's how I was able to get that wall done. So I'm just gonna, hopefully I have it. If I don't, I'll figure it out. I usually do. All right, there'll be more. There'll be at least a second half. Oh, and it's already 88 outside. It's 77 up front here, but back here I have the thermometer set on the mini split to 69, and it's chilly back here. Comfortable. All right. I'll be back if I remember. Okay. It was a long day. But, check it out. No water. Water. No water. Water. Can't even tell it's there, can you? Okay. Oh. Some of the tools I used. I got another switch for another project. This guy right here. Anyway. It all looks nice and neat under there. Close enough anyway. Way neater than it did before, let's put it that way. Oh yeah, I get my solar 14.5, 14.6. Got, what's that, 22 and a half amps going in. So it's just floating, and it's taking care of everything else I got going on in here, like this fan. Actually, that's the only other thing I got going on in here. Well, yeah, all the lights and the fridge. All right. Oh, yeah, there's my leftovers from 2 sausages for in the solar oven today for lunch. All right. Hoy vey. I'm done for the day. It's beautiful in here. Let's see, another light and then a wall. Later.